Hello, this is the See It, Try It, Speak It, Amy's sweetest moment. Take a minute to look at the image. What do you see? We want you to try and make 2 to 3 English sentences on your own. Please pause the video while you do this. Pause now. Awesome. Did you say Amy is a little girl? She is wearing a yellow dress. She is eating a cake. These are some great examples of what you could have said about Amy. Now, let's take a look at the image description. Amy was full of excitement when her eyes landed on the pound cake in front of her. She was holding a spoon, but she did not want to use it. Instead, she opened her mouth wide, ready to take a big bite. The cake was golden brown, soft, and looked delicious. Someone was holding it carefully, but Amy just could not wait. She loved pound cake, and she wanted to eat it right now. She was wearing a yellow dress, a birthday gift from her parents. Her golden hair and blue eyes made her look bright and happy. Amy was always full of energy, and she liked to eat food in a fun way. She enjoyed taking big bites with no spoon at all. This is a moment of pure happiness. A little girl, her favorite cake, and a great big bite. Now we would like you to do the 10 attached questions that go along with Amy's sweetest moment. Please pause the video while you do the questions before we do them together. Pause now. Great. Let's take a look. Question number 1. What was Amy holding in her hand? The answer here is C, a spoon. Amy was holding a spoon, as we can see in the image of the picture. Question number 2. What color was Amy's dress? Amy's dress was yellow. The reading description tells us that Amy's dress is yellow, but we can see she is wearing a yellow dress in the image. Question 3. Who gave Amy the dress as a gift? B. Her parents. The story tells us the yellow dress was a birthday gift from her parents. Question number 4. What color were Amy's eyes? The answer is C, blue. Her eyes are blue because the story tells us she had bright blue eyes. Number 5. How did the cake look? B. Golden brown, soft, and delicious. The cake looks golden brown in the image, but the story tells us it was golden brown, soft, and looked delicious. So the answer is B. Question 6. Why did Amy not wait to eat the cake? The answer is B. She loved pound cake and was excited. We can see from her facial expression in the image she is happy and excited. And we know she loves pound cake because the story tells us it's her favorite cake. Question 7. What did Amy enjoy instead of using a spoon? C. Big bites. In the image, we can see Amy trying to take a big bite, and the story mentions a couple of times that she enjoys big bites instead of using a spoon. Question 8. What was Amy wearing? The answer is D, a yellow dress. If you look at the image, we can see her wearing a yellow dress, but the story also says she was wearing a yellow dress. Question 9. How did Amy feel when she saw the cake? C. She felt excited. We know C is the answer because answers A, B, and D are all very negative and not happy words. So we know that she needs to be excited because the story tells us how happy she was, and the image shows us she is happy. Question 10. What does this moment in the story tell us about Amy? The answer is A. She loves food and enjoys eating. We can tell from how she looks in the picture and from what the story tells us, she really does love food and she really likes eating. So the answer is A. Now that you've done the questions and we've gone over them together, take the time to use the ebook that goes with this video and go over the questions again. It will also explain why each answer is correct. Then reread the image description at least 2 more times and try to memorize it to help with vocabulary and sentence structure. You can also take time to look at the image and make more sentences on your own. We want to thank you for your interest and support in our videos. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notifications to receive more valuable lessons. We really hope you enjoyed today's lesson and that it was useful for you. Currently, our ebook, See It, Try It, Speak It, is available at the Google Store, and for the next 3 months, it's 30% off. For more details, check the description box below. Again, we want to thank you for watching, and we want you to know we're here with you every step of the way. Please like and subscribe so we can keep making content for you to help you on your English journey. Remember, English is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Have a great day. Bye-bye.